are happy tears. I am just ecstatic that I was able to get a very rare chronic condition called hiccups on the map of disability approval. Now I can really focus forward and hopefully get this under control and get my life back. So all I'm trying to do is just get my life back to where it was before December 9th, 2015, when UCLA did something to me. My body has caused a lot of problems. My whole sympathetic nervous system has been just thrashed. These hiccups have stolen all the oxygen, and my rectum is fucked up. It's just fucked up. I want my life back. I just want my life back. Is that too much to ask?